Good morning, children. I am very happy to be in front of you all. We are very glad that you all have come to 6th standard. I hope you have enjoyed the holidays. You had a long holidays, and from today we are going to take classes online. You be concentrate on your studies also. Don't spend most of the time on your playings. Be attentive. Now we are taking a lot of effort to put you the lessons. You concentrate and study through the online. Don't waste your time. Education is very, very important. It helps you to grow well. Now today you know that I am going to take English for standard 6th standard. Now this English lesson for Samachar Kalvi for 6th standard, it has the first term had 2 units. First unit come under one prose poem supplementary, and the second unit also follows as prose poem and supplementary. Now today I am going to take a first prose for you. The subject I am going to take is English prose. Now you will be wondering about what Miss is taking. Now I am going to say about the water animals. Then we have the sea in a place. So regarding that, I am saying there are so many animals live in the water. There are big reptiles, snakes, birds, fishes, and all kinds of animals. There are thousands of livings under the sea. Now one of the most I am going to take the important is you also have seen. It is about the turtle. Sea turtle. This is the first lesson we find about sea turtles. Now you have been wondering what is sea turtle. Now turtle, this is a freshwater reptile living in the sea, and they belong to the family of tortoise. Now we have seen tortoise. We have seen tortoise in the zoo, a slow moving animal with a hard shell. When the people come under them, near them, they pull their legs and head into the shell. Now this sea turtle also belongs to the family of tortoise. Now we are going to read the lesson, learn more about the sea turtles. Students, shall we go into the lesson, the sea turtle? Since you are not having your books, you can listen to my reading. Now listen to my reading, then I'll explain you. Most of us have seen a tortoise in the zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative, the sea turtle. This is not surprising since these reptiles spend almost the entire life in the sea. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Of them, 5 are found in Indian coastal waters: the olive redley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead, and the leatherback. Compared to most tortoises, sea turtles are huge. Even the smallest species, the olive redley, weighs up to 30 kg when fully grown. The largest of them, all the leatherback, grows to the length of 2.2 meter, and each would weigh as much as 700 kg. Sea turtles live their life entirely in the oceans, but they still have connection with land. They almost come to the shore to lay eggs. Today, 4 of the sea turtle species mentioned above have come extremely rare in India. The olive redley, however, is still common, usually nestling on sand beaches along with the coast. Now I'll show the pictures of the 5 sea turtles, 5 kinds of sea turtle. First is the loggerhead, the olive redley, the leatherback, the hawkbill, and the green turtle. Now about these 4 turtles. These 4 turtles, they lay eggs in the shore and they go back. Now this lesson is mostly about the turtles, how they spend their life in water and also on the shore. Now each single turtle, they weigh up to 35 kg to 700. They will be the largest. Even the largest sea turtle in the leatherback, see the leatherback turtle is this one, the picture of the leatherback. Now this weighs about 2.2 meter long and 700 kg in weight. Now these turtles, they come to the shore and they lay eggs. Now these 4 turtles, they lay eggs and they go away. And this, the second part, when you go see the second part, the olive ridley. This turtle is very special. This is very special, red turtle, olive ridley. Now first of all, the meaning of marine we found in the sea. Now coastal area means land by the edge of the sea. They just come out of the water and they go out. Then the second part we see about the red olive. In many places, how this olive readily laying eggs, you can see in the picture. They lay huge eggs. In many places around the world, local to its nest, they collect the eggs for eating, jackal and eat the legs by finding the scent left by their predators, hatch 45 to 60 days later. The eggshell with the help of tiny tooth, this is like a snout. The meaning for snout means, the meaning snout, pointed nose of an animal. The snout, the help of tiny snout. When most of the eggs are through the sand emerge into the hurried dash to the water. Now they use the flippers. When this olive redleys, they come out, they use the flippers and they come into the beach. They choose a spot and they dig the mud about 45 centimeter and they lay eggs. They lay about 100 eggs together at one time, covering it with the sand and returns it to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the sun. Incubate means to grow under the warmth of the sun. Here these eggs are left to incubate. The people collect these eggs for eating. Now people don't leave this sea turtle egg also. They not only take the fish, prawns from the sea, they collect this eggs also for eating. Again, jackals, domestic dogs and pigs, they all eat these eggs. Only a few eggs will be left over and they come to an adult. Now this is the special section about the red olive. This is how this red olive come outside and they lay eggs, and when this lays which are down, and afterwards they go to, when they become adult, they go to the sea as the mother has left. Now this is about many of these tiny hatchlings which weigh less than 20 grams will be not reach the sea. They fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those who don't make it in the water will be eaten by the predators, the sea, within the first day of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that the only in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. It is perhaps to ensure the hatchlings survive to keep the species going on. Sea turtles lay so many eggs. Now listen to me. After many years swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They become to the later the own. How they manage, they find a place after so many years in the sea of many ministries are the fascinating reptiles. Now see, this is the olive redly hatchings in the hand. Sea turtles are common among the many wonderful creatures we share in this planet. Now this passage tells us what the olive redly, this lay eggs, it is about 20 grams. 20 grams it weighs. See. Now when it weighs, lay eggs and go, it falls prey to the crabs or birds before they reach the sea. The scientist says that out of 1,000 hatchings, only one become an adult and they go into the sea. The adult female return to the same beach where they were born. It is a very fascinating story about the sea turtles. Now, about problems about pollutions, we, the human activities, also endanger the survival because we put lot of waste plastics in the sea, and this causes danger for the survival. Now, we should avoid all this one. Now, it is our duty to protect the natural nature also, so that we may enjoy the nature of God's blessings. Now, this lesson, I think so, this is about the turtle, you have understood. Now, I'm going to ask the few questions. Have you seen the turtles? If you have seen, where have you seen? Where do they live? Now, what do you know about turtles? And through the WhatsApp, I'll send you a few questions, short questions. You can answer. The meanings I'll send you about the flippers, haul, slash. Understood? There are a lot of things you have to snout, pointed nose of an animal. Now, hatchling means recently hatched animal or bird. Scent, perfume. Now, there are many exercises which I'll be sending you. Don't waste the time. Read this lesson once or twice. You listen carefully and you can answer the questions very shortly. God bless you, teachers. God bless you, students.